Hi, when it comes to trading expiries, we all might have used max pain levels to gauge the expiries better. But today we are going to learn about enhancement over the max pain level, which will help us in gauging the expiries better. So we are going to do it using option gain tool in our application. So option gain is accessible on mobile version as well as the desktop version. To access the desktop version, we can simply refer to this link, which is web.concept.com. So first, what is option gain? Option gain is nothing but the max pain level itself. So option gain is that level which shows us what at what level option sellers are making the most profits. So looking at the current scenario, gain level is placed at 17,200, indicates that call and put sellers both are making the most profit at 17,200. So 17,200 becomes a key expiry level as per the market sentiments. So markets are anticipating the expiry at 17,200. So before we move forward, when we should go ahead and have a look on the gain level, specifically on an expiry day and the highly liquid instruments. So we should be referring to max pain and option gain on an expiry day in highly liquid instruments like Nifty and Bank Nifty. So now, let's say that if we are looking at the option gain level at 9:30 a.m. in the morning, so it is placed at 17,200. Is Nifty going to expire exactly at the same level? No. We expect Nifty to expire somewhere around this level. Coming to the second point, is this gain level going to be static throughout the day till the market closes? No. This level might see the shifts. So most importantly, once we have a look on the gain level, we should observe how the shifts are been happening in the gain level, because that is much more important rather than looking at the static figure. So now let's take an example how we are going to go about it. So let's say if I want to go ahead and see the shift of gain level today from 9:30 onwards. To 11 a.m. onwards. So if we see, there is no shift happening in the gain level, right? So now let me just explain how we should gauge the shifts which are happening in the gain level. Right now, let's assume that Nifty is trading at 17,200 with max pain placed at 17,200. Okay. What happens is, as the time flies by in a day, Nifty goes up till 17,400. Okay. And gain level shifts from 17,200 till 17,350, which indicates that there is an upward shift happening in the gain level, indication of an option band which has shifted to an upper strike. So the sellers have actually shifted their positions to the upper strike, indication of an positive move from there on. Coming to the second scenario, let's take an example that Nifty again goes up till 17,400, but gain level doesn't shift at all. It remains at the same level of 17,200. It indicates that the markets are expecting a pullback from there. They are expecting the expiry in the vicinity. And the vice versa will happen on the downside. Now, coming to the EQ level, which will enhance our max pain level even better. So what is EQ level? So EQ level is equilibrium level, which shows us the seller's break-even point considering the premiums they have received. So in this particular scenario, 17,335 is the level where neither call sellers, neither put sellers are making money. So this is the break-even considering the premiums they have received from the selected time frame. Okay. Now let's say if Nifty crosses this particular level, which is 17,335. Now, as a call seller, we might be in a panic because our break even has been reached. Today is the expiry day. We might feel the most heat at this particular level. And as a call seller, if my break even has been breached and if Nifty starts to move above it, we might see a good short covering happening post this particular level. and which might result in a strong up move from there on. So one should observe that the EQ level where it is placed and how it is getting broken. So this becomes like my resistance, a key watch out level for Nifty on an expiry day. If this gets broken, we might expect a good momentum on the upside from there on. Similarly, if EQ level is placed on the downside, the vice versa. So one should also observe the EQ level where it is placed at, and is it the EQ level which is getting broken? Because after this point, the call sellers will face a immense loss, but put sellers will be in profit, because as on when the instrument scales up higher, put sellers turns into profit and call sellers will feel the panic on an expiry day specifically. So that was it from this particular video. Option gain tool updates in real time, and also option gain tool is available on our mobile application. So don't forget to check out option gain tool in our mobile application and gauge the sentiments and the expiries much more better. Thank you.